Well, hello there guys, welcome back. Today we are in Buzios. It's another port in Brazil, and it's a tender port, so we have to take the little boat to get to the island. So let's do it. Alright, we just keep walking, and it looks like we stumbled upon a nice little beach. And we stumbled upon another beach. It looks like one of the busiest beaches I've ever seen. We're gonna stop into a little restaurant, and we're gonna get caipirinha. Caipirinha is like a rum sugar drink. It's the national drink of Brazil. Stumbled upon a little square full of shops, just kind of looking at souvenirs, maybe get some booze, and then probably head back to the ship. Alright guys, nice relaxing day walking along the beach today. Very cool little peninsula. We had a lot of fun. Had some caipirinhas finally, and yeah, now we're back on the boat heading towards our next port. We'll still be in Brazil for another one, but we have a couple sea days here to relax. So we will see you next time. Make sure you like this video for me and go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and we'll have some more fun adventures for you coming up.